Welcome to Manila, as we are about to land at Ninoy Aquino International Airport.
Beyefendiler ve sevgili çocuklar, kemeri kalışıkları.
We have been wearing our face masks all throughout the
İşiniz
flight.
için teşekkür ederiz. Dear passengers, in order to maintain social distance, please wait for the passengers seated in front of you.
But at this point, we started wearing our face shields as required. Anyway, for this video, I'm going to guide you step by step on the entire process from the moment you disembark until you're off to your accredited quarantine hotel.
Hello.
This is Party.
It's not really a long walk to the first queue, but I do recommend going to the restroom at this time because you don't know how long it would take you to go through the entire process. And here we arrive at our first line, the first step. There are marks on the floor to follow for social distancing. This is where you're going to submit the health declaration form that was given to you to fill out during the flight. It looks like this. That's the front and the back. Do not fill out the back. Let's have a closer look. These are all the information that you need to provide. She asked me if we are all together. She said okay and instructed us to take off our face shields and eyeglasses as we go through the thermal scanning.
Remove your face shield, baby.
Then we proceeded to the registration area. Here you can see a lot of Philippine Coast Guard personnel directing the passengers on what to do and where to go next. Non-OFW. Kumusta po? We were instructed to sit on the left side because the line with the monoblock chair on the right is for the OFWs. Ano pong next step, kuya? Dito o upo?
Hintayin niyo po yung naka-blue hazmat.
We were told to sit and wait until the personnel wearing blue PPE will approach us. So this is the briefing or registration area. And here I saw something posted on the seats. It's actually a guide for returning Filipinos, what they need to do. So the first two steps are already done pre-flight. And then here is another one. I really highly recommend to register prior to your flight to avoid any delays. She asked if I already paid, and I told her that we registered through PadLab. And so she told me that she will come back and give me a piece of paper, a little piece of paper to fill out. Here is the little form that she was talking about and the information that you need to provide. And you are going to prepare it like this: passport, the little form, and a printout of your PadLab registration. Once done with that, you proceed to the payment and verification area. Payment? Here's the cashier, and then the verification, where you're going to receive all these, the receipts and all the printouts and barcodes. And also you can see the amount that we paid for 4 persons. It's 4,000 pesos per person for the test. You can pay with cash or by credit card or debit card. Do not lose those barcodes. They are very important. They will also give you this just in case you have any inquiry about your swab test. Then you are going to proceed to the pad lab swab area. Here on the right side is the red cross for the OFWs. So you just go down the hall, and on your right side is the swab area. No, not this one. That's still red cross. This one. This is the pad lab swab area. And you just wait here in line.
Yes, we sit down here. We don't know. Okay na? Wala bang line?
So, as you can see here, I was the sacrificial lamb, the first in line.
How was it?
It's a bit uncomfortable, but not so bad.
Okay.
Just give me up, eat up. Tongue out.
Uncomfortable, that's it. Sit down. Tongue out.
When that dreaded swab test is done, it's time to proceed to the immigration. No video or pictures allowed. After that, you proceed to the Department of Tourism area downstairs. On the way downstairs, you can see here on your left side all the luggages lined up neatly from our flight, because it took about 2 hours for all that procedure to be done. So you go down this escalator, the luggages on the left, and then on the right side are the seats for the DOT area. The last step for this process. Maybe second to the last step. On the right side here are kiosks for prepaid SIM card. for Globe and Smart, but I would advise that you wait until you get out of here or the exit. For this step, you are going to be given an affidavit of undertaking, which you are going to fill out. Here's a closer view of the information that you need to put. Then as you proceed to the window, they are going to check for your affidavit of undertaking, your hotel booking, and there's some kind of a logbook that you need to sign, and then they will ask about your transportation. You will be given this little sheet of paper, don't lose it, and then you get out, and this little booth here, you're going to submit your affidavit of undertaking. Here it is. Not much of a problem there. And you are done. Here is this area. They have foreign exchange. They have the SIM card from Globe and Smart. And then they are, yeah, there's the airport police help desk in case you need them. And then at that time, we were so hungry, so we were looking for a restaurant or a food place that's open. So we walk down this hallway, and you can see some bags, and then hotel counter, then the rent-a-car counter, duty free, and voila, Jollibee, open 24 hours. After eating at Jollibee, we headed out. There's the guard there. We were looking for that spot to get a taxi. So the guard asked, do we need anything, any help? He looked for this little slip that the DOT gave us. Then he instructed us to go to Bay 6. Right there. And off we went. Sorry for this really unstable footage because I had my hands full. So you cross here to the other side. There you can see the taxis.
Good evening.
Saan po kayo, ma'am?
Sa Makati po, Ascot, Makati.
Paano na lang po, ma'am, nung ano yun?
Sandali lang ha.
Yung ano na lang po, ma'am, yung passport mo.
Passport.
Hindi, marami yung gamit eh. Ano gusto niyo,
Sa
yung malaki
van
na
po.
lang, ma'am? Van na lang daw. Request ng van, kung mayroon.
Sige ma'am, okay lang po. May pangalan naman po pala.
We requested for a big van because we had so much luggages. Anyway, here are posted rates for provincial destination, and then on the left side here are the rates for tourist coupon transport services within Metro Manila. It's all posted there if you want to check. Here we are arriving at our hotel in Makati. There was no traffic, so it didn't take that long. So for this big van from NAIA Terminal 3 to
9 pieces?
Makati near Glorieta 5, we paid 740 pesos, which is for me quite reasonable. And here they really need to check with the driver, sign something to make sure that we were delivered here at the hotel directly. Okay, so that's all for now. Watch out for the next video as we check in at the hotel and wait for our swab test results.